It's Saturday morning, and I just woke up from a night backpacking in the Sawtooth Mountains in central Idaho, and it's time to make some breakfast. So this morning, I have this. This is a Mountain House Adventure Meals breakfast skillet. Shredded potatoes and scrambled eggs mixed with pork sausage, peppers, and onions. That sounds delicious. So today I'm going to be making and reviewing this meal, and I'll let you know what I think. I picked it up for 10 bucks at Walmart. So it looks like in order to make this, you just add 1 1/4 cups of boiling water into the bag, and you let it sit for about 4 minutes, then stir it up and let it sit for another 5 minutes, and it'll be done. Here's all the nutritional facts. For a breakfast, it seems like a fairly decent meal. Alright, I got some water boiled up, so now I'm going to go ahead and open up the package here. Don't forget to remove that oxygen absorber. You always got to be careful not to put in too much. Now we'll just let it sit. Alright, it's been sitting for the last 10 minutes or so, and I did open it up to stir it once, and now it's time to try it out. So let me pull out my spoon here, and let's open it up. Oh no, not bad. Doesn't taste home cooked, but it's not bad. It's not going to be 5-star food, obviously, but it works for what I'm doing. That's my review on this Mountain House Adventure Meals breakfast skillet that you can pick up from Walmart. Thank you for watching, and definitely go check out some of my other videos. I made a whole video on this backpacking trip that I'm on right now.